What's up guys, I'm your host Emily for emilysrobotronics.in, and today I'm here with my robot and the robot controller M1 board that I had built a couple of weeks back, probably a couple of months back. So this is a platform for building robotic projects. So no matter what the robotic project it is, you can use this board and build the project on top of that. So this board provides the universal the functionality which could be implemented for any type of robot. So using the same robot controller, I have built a robot today. I'm gonna build a robot today to show you how I can control the robot using the Bluetooth interface. So I'm gonna use my Android mobile phone, Android powered mobile device, and I'm going to use the accelerometer built within the device and control the robot using the gesture. So what I'm going to do is I'll be needing to interface my robot controller board with a Bluetooth UART breakout module, and once I have it on the board, I can communicate with the robot controller M1 board using my Android device, Android powered mobile phone. So as you already know, or if you don't know, so here it is. You already have interface, Bluetooth interface on the robot controller M1 board. So all that you need to do is find a Bluetooth UART module, something like this. So it should be configured as a slave device, and the pin configuration is a bit specific. So in case you're planning to buy a breakout module, make sure the pin configuration matches with this, and only then go ahead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna interface this Bluetooth breakout module with the robot controller M1 board, and I'm going to program the robot controller M1 board with the code that would help me drive this robot using the gestures of this phone. So there is an application called from the team called Cellbot. So this is a interface which is used to communicate with another robot using an Android device. So what it does is you need to pair with your robot, and once you've paired, there are several options available, and using those different types of navigation method, you can control your robot. So we do have 4 directional switches. We do have gesture controlled movement, wherein when we move our phone, when we tilt the phone to a respective direction, our robot also follows a similar direction. And also there are 2 more options, which is one is voice command, and the other one is a D-pad, something like a D-pad. So you move your finger across the grid, and your robot also follows the direction that you're moving your finger in. So those are the different interfaces that is available using the Cellbot application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly plug in the interface and program the robot and connect it and show you the operation. So clicking on left will So that's about the directional keys. Now to show you the other one. So this is similar to a D-pad. So when I press and hold, the D-pad is activated, and whichever direction I move, the robot moves towards that direction. Okay, this is the I'm sorry, this is the accelerometer based thing. So this would detect gesture. It would measure the angle of a bend towards X and Y axis, and similarly it sends out signals that my robot detects it and moves up. So the less I bend, the less the robot tilts, and the more I bend, the more the robot tilts. So if I want the robot to move slowly, I bend a little. If I want the robot to move fast, then I will do this. So it moves at full speed. So it just that was the accelerometer, and this is the D-pad. Now I need to move.